go see SpongeBob fireworks. I'm really excited. Yes, SpongeBob fireworks for their 25th anniversary, and right now my friend is driving me. Oh my god. Ah! Okay, I've just put my phone there, because like that's what I'm recording on right now. Okay, let's go. He's really good at driving. Oh my god, am I excited? Yes. Where should we park? Where should we park, guys? Should we park like at the gas station or like House 34? Ooh, here we go. So excited. They don't start until like 2. Oh, it's past 2. They're starting. Come on, let's go up here. You guys ready? Here are the fireworks.
Bitch! Man, I wanna smoke.
It's already beautiful? Yes, it is. Indeed. Bro, yeah, go away. Bro, these people won't let us enjoy our time.
What?
Stupid army people.
Willow, calm down.
They're trying to arrest us
Okay?
for no reason.
Mommy told me.
Okay.
You don't even know what I was gonna say. Quit yelling or you get it taken away, okay?
Okay.
You need to pick up your room.
I know.
Then do it. You got 10 minutes to stop. After those 10 minutes, if you still ain't done it, if you still keep giving me an attitude, I take those away until you're finished cleaning.
Sorry about that, guys. Anyways, back to the fireworks. This is so pretty. Guys, what do you rate these fireworks?
Bitch!
What do you rate these fireworks, guys? Do you rate it a 10 out of 10? Because I hope so. My God, these stupid guys again. I hate these people so much. I am going to see you. Okay, I guess that's it. Stupid army people keep ruining our fun. So bye guys. I'm gonna go cry about it until I have to clean my room. Bye.